Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm gonna talk about this ICO called Goldea. So what does this ICO do, and after that how can you profit from it? This is not another lending platform whatsoever, but bear in mind this is somehow a cloud, somehow you say a mining, I would say like a passive income opportunity for you guys if you guys are looking for passive income. And after that of course passive income meaning you do not need to do anything, just pay for plans or be a part of something, and after that you will get payouts daily, monthly, or whichever the companies offer. So alright, as you can see, Goldea is on their second ICO phase. So the ICO is coming to an end on 11 days, the second phase. They total have I will scroll it down, and after that we will review it together. So as you can see, the current minimum investment amount is 1 Ethereum, which is kind of high, but it is reasonable, as this is cryptocurrency investment in their gold mine via the use of their GEA tokens. So as you can see, so how does this work is you hold this token, and after that you will get payout with their profits of gold mine. So this is not cloud mining or whatsoever, but this is something like a real world gold mining, and after that they will profit from there and split it out to the token holders. So what does it do is, if you hold this token, example like you have 10 of it, and after that you will get 10, there's a total supply of 3 million. So 3 million of the tokens, if you are 10%, and after that if their total revenue for their profit for the month or for the day, I do not know how are they gonna split it up. So within like maybe 1 month they earn this amount of money, they will split it up to everybody depending on how much token do you have. So this is going to be done by a smart contract, of course. So let's go down. As you can see, this picture is kind of cartoonish and kind of cute. So this is a small like overview, like what's the company is going to do, and after that you can learn like how do they earn money. So as you can visit their website, I will list it down below. As you can see, the project intro. So this the CEO is going to talk about their project intro, and after that the fascinating thing about it is because there's a poor country, there is poor country in this world, and of course they are going to like maybe take a part of the tokens to charity. So this ICO is doing good things, and after that of course in the same way, by supporting them you earn, and after that you are doing a good deed too. So as you can see, this is their video, you can view it on their website. So as we all know that the value of gold keep going up and up and is stable, but in the cryptocurrency space, the value of those cryptocurrency token or coin, it is very volatile, so it is going up and down, but gold will keep rising. As you can see, the result of their ICO, the estimated result, I mean, like the round one, they're gonna raise, and after that the gold mine capacity per hour, this is the goal that the amount of ore they're gonna get, so they can sell it. So how does it work? As you can see, this is investors, this is us. So we are gonna pay them Ethereum, if not Bitcoin, and after that through the smart contract, if you do it by Ethereum, it's quicker, so you will get your tokens quicker, like once you send it over, and you will receive your tokens. So for Bitcoin, it's gonna take a while to process, and after that what does it gonna do? So whatever money that is being sent to the smart contract, you're gonna get a token, and after that they will of course sell the token to the bank or an exchange to cash out to the bank, and after that they will invest all the money they earn into the gold mine. As you can see here, the gold mine, and after that whatever they have mined from their gold mine is gonna be for sales as gold form. So they are gonna sell the gold, and after that the profit made from selling the gold, it will go back to the bank, and after that go back to the smart contract, they will convert it to cryptocurrency, Ethereum if I'm not wrong. So they will transfer it to the smart contract, and the payouts are gonna be split out by tokens holder. So they are available for any questions, especially their telegram is very fast and unique, like not say unique, it will be fast, like if you join the telegram and ask any questions, as there's only 669 people. And after that, this ICO is not that popular because it's not, I would say, not well advertised on Facebook like Evian or whatsoever, but this is a really golden opportunity that you can't miss out, as this is the first ICO that offers gold mining and being transparent, like their project. And what is the token used for? accessibility, security, anonymity. As we all know, if you want to sell gold or whatsoever, you need to register, and after that give documents and lots of uh, legal stuff. But holding the token, they will guarantee that you will get payout, and after that your identity will not be exposed. So integration, and after that profit from gold mine is distributed automatically. This automatically it is using the smart contract to the GA tokens holder. As you can see, smart contract protocol. Yep. So this is a direct sales, and after the influence, so there's a share risk. So the risk won't be that big, and after that not so, not towards one person but to the whole community of tokens holder. So as you can see, this is the plan, the roadmap. As you can see now, they have contracted their ICO on a quarter 2 of 2017, and September is the ICO. So October is their smart contract, and November of course doing gold and those stuff, you need to do some legal document and some verification, so they have done it. And after that, December is the crowdfunding funding, and after that the token buyback from early investors. For those who are really just looking for opportunity to make fast cash, you can buy and then sell the token. But for me, I would suggest you to hold those token, and after that make profit from it. So like the quarter 1 of 2018, they are building their gold infrastructure, and after that their gold plantation, yeah. And after that the quarter 2, if they are going to list their tokens into a crypto exchange, and from there the price will be random, will be volatile up and down. So for the quarter 4, around maybe, yeah, the quarter 4 of 2018, the token buyback from the market, meaning once if they see the price of the token go down tremendously, and after that affordable to buy it, they will buy it back, and after that making the tokens value higher, and of course the profit bigger. So you can read it up yourself for all those the roadmap. So like you can see the project plan, they have a total of 4 rounds. As you can see, the ICO is now at round 2. So one token will cost you $15. As you can see now, it's at a week 3, so you will get a 5% bonus if you buy it now. And of course, when you jump to the ICO phase 3, it's gonna be $18 for one token, and after that the bonus will drop week by week. So if you buy in at $15, you are already making a profit of $6 by the end of the ICO. And after that, after 1 week of the ICO, after 1 month of the ICO, it's gonna be listed on an exchange, so you can sell it for quick cash or hold it. So as you can see the ICO details, there's gonna be a uh total issue tokens is 3 million. This is 3 million token. So the supply is low, so the demand will be high. Definitely when the supply is low and the demand is high, the token price will definitely skyrocket. So this is a chance for you to make some quick cash. If you guys are looking for, like, you guys are just ICO hunters and you are just looking for quick quick cash opportunity, this is a platform you should decide and after that consider. So the ICO duration is here. The ICO will end at March 2018. So the token value is going to rise to $21 per one token during the ICO phase. When it hit the exchange, you can't predict. So this is the ICO structure. As you can see, the distribution is 77% to the ICO, 20% to the team, 2% to bounty, and after the pre-ICO is 1%. So this is quite fair. As you can see, the once they have collected from the ICO and what is the money they have earned, they are going to do what? 80% on the gold plantation. Of course, this is definitely what they're going to do, as to make of course you need to build infrastructure and whatsoever is going to be expensive. So they will build it at 80% of their budget, and after that 15% to their team budget, be it like their salary, and after that of course whatever they can do it with the team, maybe advertise it or whatsoever. So the 5% will be on expenses. So as you can see, the world gold production, global mining of growth since 19,000. As you can see, the price of gold keep going up and up and up, because gold has limited supply. It's the same as cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. Example, the digital gold, as everybody recognize it as you can see, you can read the details here. So as you can see, the cryptocurrency capitalization growth, this is the market cap. it is also the same. It's growing bigger and bigger. So as you can see, you can look up at their website for their team, and after that the stuff that they do, their Facebook, and after that where are they from. And it's kind of interesting that they dare to show their face, as this is not a scam or whatsoever. They dare to show it because they are legit. So consider it and do your own research before doing anything. But I do not do any background check, but I trust this team that is good, because even though they do not, sometimes they do not do advertising, because they want people to find it out themselves. And after that, of course, you will be like thinking advertising costs money. But if you want to have a large people to join in, like those rich people, and after that investing a lot, and after that you do not have any chance, so they do not like really advertise it. So you can, I'm going to advertise it to you as a form of free content on YouTube, so you can decide on your own. So as you can see, they have Law and Trust International Company. They have this company being with them. So they have a smart contract experienced developer team. So can trust them. Not still can trust them. Anyway, just do your own research, and the advisors for the team, and after that their partners. See, you can see the big company cat is here. So their support, and after that, as seen on, this is the press and the news and activities of their website. And after that, the FAQ, you can read it up your own. I will not like really. Alright, this is the main point after 1 month of the ICO. Yes. And after that, how do I benefit? How do everybody benefit if you are interested in the token? From the start of the production, each token holder receive quarterly. So it is quarterly, 4 months from the gold sales, and after being converted to the company shares. So this company is a real deal. It's gonna list their shares in cryptocurrency form. So let's look at their white paper. So as we all know, the problem of the gold mining industry, it is people putting money into the bank, and after that to the bank and the bank, and after that the bank will put the money into the gold plant, and then split out like this. But it is not transparent at all, because the bank is centralized, and after that you can't see what's going on inside. As a solution, as you can see, this is smart contract doing by all the investors. We do not see the people. As you can see, people identification, and after that many procedure. For them, you just gonna use your PC or your mobile to connect, and after that buy the tokens. From there you will earn by the smart contract. So this is really I would say a three-step procedure. It's very easy. Just sign up, buy the token, hold on to it. So as you can see, the project, the aims, you can read it up yourself on the ICO. I'm going to go through the main points. So the location, it is going to be located at the Republic of Mali, which has been an enormous gold mining potential, and they believe it's going to take the world leading position in the gold production in the near future. So they have confidence, they have believe in it. So if you guys are interested into passive income, you could read it up, and after that believe it or not. If you miss out this, you're gonna regret, like many great ICO out there. So this is the country overview. You can see low cost of labor for mining, so it's a good thing. So mining friendly, yep, it's also a good thing. So they have a stable and social political situation, so this is also a very good thing, as political will involve in all this. So this is a good thing that they have a stable and social thing. So the historic fact about this place, so you can read it up your own. So let's scroll down and see any more that is that I should cover. So right, the main characteristic of the tokens is a standard ERC20 token enable listing on a crypto exchange. So this is a good thing. You can sell your tokens on an exchange that is going to be listed by them, and there's limited amount of issue tokens. Now this project is 3 million, so remember, it's only 3 million, so the demand is gonna be high. So this is the ICO phase of the white paper. As you can see, this is the planned event necessary, and after that the token value, they do not guarantee anything, and after that nobody guarantee about the token price, but they guarantee you to get your quarterly payouts by the gold sales, but they do not tell you how much. Is gonna see, it's gonna be seen by the demand of gold, and after that how much they sell the gold and how much they profit from. Alright, as you can see here, Ethereum, discount. You're gonna get a 50% discount during the investment stage, ICO stage, and after that 100% investment go into gold mine. So it's gonna be change it into the tokens, their token, and after that they will trade. You can trade with crypto, and after that you can receive profit shares from production. So this is a good thing, and after that eventually you hold the token, you're gonna become a shareholder. Yes, this is a good thing. So the rules of ICO is gonna end on the March of 2018. So think about it if you guys want to join, and after that remember the buyback is planned for November 2018. So the buyback period will be this date if you want to sell for some quick cash. So this is the financial state, as the ICO is gonna talk about many things. So as you can see, this is a hard work put in ICO, the revenue, and after that the profit and the cost and the growth of the token. So you can see within the yearly profit, and you can see the growth of the token is getting higher and higher because of the demand, I mean the supply. So for security reason and whatsoever, and this is the theme, so my is kind of laggy. So the bonuses and everything, the ICO structure, I already went through it. Yeah, the conclusion. Yep. Yep, that's all for this video. As you can see, I already went through whatever you need to know, and after that the last thing to go through is when does the gold production starts. 8 months after the completion of fundraising. They're gonna end it on the March of 2018. So after 8 months it's gonna be at the 11 month of this year. So it's gonna be in November if I'm not wrong. Yeah, November they are gonna start their gold production. So that's all for this video. Hope you like this video. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on post notification to know more upcoming update that I will do, ICO reviews, cryptocurrency videos, and after that many more. Just subscribe and hit the bell notification. Thank you very much for watching. Peace.